Hey, I'm Chef Loic, and I'm gonna turn this pumpkin into the best soup y'all have ever seen. First step, we're gonna go ahead and cut this pumpkin. Yo, Danny, why don't you stop recording and come help me out?
Alright.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half. Cut this one also. I'm gonna season that with some salt, and we have some sriracha flavor seasoning here. We're gonna add a little bit of that in there also. So now it's gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees for 2 hours. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna chop this up and we're gonna roast it. It's gonna go in the bowl. So we're gonna season this with some avocado oil, salt, pepper, curry powder. Add a little bit of sugar in it. We're gonna go ahead and roast this up at 375 for an hour. So we're gonna heat up our pan with some oil.
Okay.
We're gonna cut some aromatics for our sauce. Garlic goes in. Ginger goes in. So I'm just gonna smash the lemongrass to kind of release the juices, and we're gonna slice it up. We're gonna go ahead and season all that with some black pepper, salt, curry powder, turmeric. We're gonna add some butter.
Wow.
Stuff with some white wine. Tarragon. Yeah, so we have coconut milk and chicken stock. We're gonna add about a cup of each. So now we're gonna work on the scallops. So we're gonna season our scallops with some salt, a little bit of pepper. We'll go ahead and land the scallops. So now we're gonna go ahead and flip our scallops.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yo, look at the sear on those. Wow.
Add our butter. So we have our pumpkin chips ready, our scallops seared. So all we gotta do now is land our pumpkin soup. It's gonna need more salt, more butter, more acid. Okay, now the strain. Alright, so now we plate. Slice the scallop in half. And we're gonna garnish with our pumpkin chips. A little bit of tarragon. Let's finish it with some olive oil. Alright, there we have it. We just turned your pumpkin fancy.
Chef, we gotta dig in. Let's
Yes,
go.
sir, let's try.
I'm gonna get this crispy
Excited.
part of the scallop right here.
Yeah, get the scallop
Wow.
and the chip on there.
Glorious bite. Chef, good work today.
Man, that's good. So much flavor in there.
Dude, what the heck? Wow.
Oh yeah.
That's impressive. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know a pumpkin could be this versatile. But chef, you showed us pumpkin two ways.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. 10 out of 10.
Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, take a shot, bro.
This is my favorite wine, bro. You like it, right?
That's good, bro.
A little fruity, just like you, bro.